This is going to be really powerful. In fact, this might be the very thing that helps you get to where you want to be. It did for me, and there's a lot of BS out there, and this will be really powerful. Ray, hey, a friend, good to see you. Yeah, Rebecca, awesome. Okay, there's plenty here. Let's go. I'm not going to mess around. I respect your time. I want to get straight to this. This is going to be really, really important for you. This is going to be really, really powerful for you. And when you start to see a change, and when you start to see things working for you, and when you start to go, oh shit, that actually worked, I really want you to get in touch and tell me, because of the phone. So please let me know where you are, and I really want you to practice this. This is called Stop Using Affirmations. What? Every book you read, affirmations, you got to tell yourself what you want, you got to believe it, all of that stuff. Now, affirmations absolutely do work if you have dealt with the subconscious belief underneath it all. I'm going to repeat that one more time. Affirmations absolutely do work if you have dealt with the underlying issue that will be blocking you from manifesting and reaching that goal. So we'll talk about that in a bit. But what I really want to get clear is if you've got affirmations that you're writing, you're scripting, you're doing 369, you're doing the 555 method, maybe you've got stuff written all over the place. I love you. I'm a millionaire now. In fact, let me know if you're using affirmations right now. I really want to see who this is resonating with. I figured this out, I found this out, I heard some people talking about this, and it really was impactful for me, because at the end of the day, if you're repeating affirmations of where you want to be, what you want to be experiencing, but as you're saying it, there's a part of you that goes, well, that's not true. You're lying. You're lying. That's not true. This is going to go round over and over and over and over again. And no matter how many times you read those affirmations, no matter how many times you try and imprint those positive affirmations into your mind, there's a part of you that's saying, you're lying. You ultimately know what is real and what isn't real. So here's the deal. Affirmations absolutely work. And let me put it like this. You can repeat this stuff over and over and over again, and maybe one day you'll hit that tipping point and it will become your reality. Maybe. But the majority of the people out there using affirmations, using positive self-talk, and using all this self-help, self-development, spiritual tools, which I fucking love, don't get me wrong, a lot of it's absolute fluff, a lot of it's nonsense, and a lot of it is not going to help you get to where you want to be, and actually will be detrimental. Because what you're doing is you're putting yourself in a new barrier, a new construct that's saying, oh, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it. So let me break this down. Let me shed some light on this. If you're wanting clients, let's say you're an entrepreneur, let's say you're working for yourself and you want clients, right? And you don't have those clients. You might be setting an affirmation that says, I love my 3-month client, I have X amount in the bank. And you look at this every day. What's happening is you're seeing what you want in the future, but at the very same time, your being is saying, you don't have that, stop lying to yourself. And you're adding this new data and this new worry and doubt and lack every time you see this affirmation. So this affirmation can essentially be poisoning your dream. So here's the rub. This is what you can do right now to change this and to make shit work for you. Tap out of the lies and the trying to hack yourself. You're way smarter than that. Your being is way smarter than you trying to, oh, I know, I'll tell myself that I'm a millionaire. I'll tell myself I've got loads of clients, and then I'll just have them. It's just not going to work like that. So let's change the wording slightly so it works for you and it's true, but still leading you to where you want to be. So let me give you an example. I appreciate and love and feel so grateful for the clients I have. And then what you could do is you could write maybe 3 to 5 words that represent the feeling of what that gives you. So for me personally, if I'm trying to manifest more clients, maybe I've just released a program and I want more clients to do that journey, instead of trying to dive into the future of new clients, I'll say, I appreciate and love and respect and value my clients, the ones that I have right now. And then I'll write underneath that excited, relief, appreciation, gratitude, trust. Any words that represent how I feel for the thing that I already have. So I'll give you some other examples so this works for other things. But this is how this shit works. If you already have an element of what you want, focus on that. Focus on that and dial in to that thing. And appreciate and love what it is that you want to be experiencing. Don't try and pull anything out of the ether into your reality. Love what you already have and amplify that feeling. This is how you change the story. So let's say you want to experience more wealth or love. Love and wealth, the most common things I work with my clients. I just want to find my perfect partner. I just want £1 million. So we're going to split them to love and money right now, whichever works best for you. If you're looking for a relationship, dive into love for yourself. Forget about the relationship. Love yourself so unconditionally so that you become a vibrational match for that person that you desire. When you love yourself completely, entirely, unconditionally, it's almost impossible for you not to attract that into your life. Look at yourself like a magnet for whatever it is that you want. Imagine, playing with magnets when you were younger and they just stick together. Imagine you are a magnet. This is using your natural magnetism. This is energetics. Be a magnet, okay? And then use your beautiful imagination to choose what it is that you desire. And be that. Be that right now. Let's try it. So let me know down below what you're working on. Whether it's a number, an amount, love, or something you want to manifest. Be that right now. Imagine there is no future. Forget the past entirely. It doesn't serve you anymore. Right now is all there is. And imagine right now is all there is ever going to be. It's just going to be right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. So forget about trying to get something in the future that's going to bring you what you want right now. Imagine that that's not even a thing that we can do. Imagine if right now is all there is, be, do, have, experience what it is that you want in the future right now. And tap in to how that makes you feel. Forget the story, Kevin, Tom, Dylan, forget the story of the future. Forget the affirmations of, I have this, I want this. Forget all of that. Imagine that you are it right now and feel what feelings you want to be feeling. Excitement, relief, love, gratitude, peace, and crank that up. Tune into those feelings. And look, you're going to be going through life and you're going to be doing all the right things. A new home, I feel it, I see it. Right, Rebecca, I love you. Thanks for playing along. I appreciate you. This right back at you. My clients are my world. And when I dial into my clients and I love them and I appreciate them, they keep coming. So with your new home, you're already there. You already have it. The timelines of reality are endless. There is no getting. There is no one day I'm going to have. You have it. And look, yes, in this reality right now, you might not be in it, but in your true spirit, in your true being, it's already done. And as long as you're aligning yourself with doing the right action and you're doing everything that you can, if you forget about the story of trying to get or needing and wanting, and you allow yourself to feel what it is you would feel when you're experiencing nothing but abundance. Feel that feeling, amplify that feeling, tune into that feeling every fucking day. Relief is a great word to come back to. When you're in relief, it's, I did it, I made it. I made it. So tune into that feeling every day and keep returning to this feeling. Keep doing the action towards your goal and reword all of those affirmations. I am happy now that I have X, Y, and Z. If there's any doubt in your body that says, I don't have that, that's going to be amplified. That's just going to be amplified, and it's going to continuously happen in your life. So reword all these affirmations to I'm grateful for, and dial into what you do have now. Dive into that and crank up that feeling. And as long as you keep doing the right action towards that goal, I'm sure, no doubt, you will manifest that in your reality. But by doing these affirmations over and over again, saying what you do not yet have, you're adding guilt and shame and doubt. And you're essentially feeling more like a loser, which you're not. You're an ultimate infinite being of love and light. There's only you that's creating this doubt and lack. So when we remove the lack and the doubt and we come back to love and peace and relief and happiness for being alive right now in here in the present moment where life truly is and only ever is, then you've completed the game. And all we ever have to do is just remind ourselves every day to tune into this essence, this presence, this stillness, this peace, this relief, this gratitude, this abundance, this happiness. If this is resonating with you, give me an emoji, let me know. And if you want to work deeper on these subconscious blocks that you feel like you might have but you don't quite know how to locate, message me the word freedom, DM me the word freedom, and we'll work together, we'll figure it out, and I'll help you unblock what's pulling you back and not allowing you to be your true self, the best expression of yourself. So I'm going to leave you there. I'm going to love you. Watch the videos, check out the stuff in the old bio. Thanks everyone for joining. You're amazing. Thanks for the emojis, the hearts. I love you. You're absolutely awesome. Keep smiling, keep winning, keep breathing presence into your awesome being.